We are at Zoya Khan's thesis project. Very interesting. Bacteria grow kar rahi hai. Maybe be wary of this one. She might be growing something else in the lab as well and cooking some shit up before she just burns out like one of those stars, and then you turn into a black hole. I guess.
इट्स अ रिब विथ बोन। वाह वाह वाह, ये हड्डी बंदा किसी और को डाल दे और खुद जो है खा ले बाकी गोशत। लेडिस डोंट लाइक ईटिंग, हमारे साथ ये लेडिस लव्स हर फूड एंड शी इज गोइंग टू एंजॉय हर फार्म चिकन। ही इज अप फॉर सेल। इफ यू एनीबडी वांट्स टू परचेज दिस लिटिल क्रीचर, प्लीज ड्रॉप मी अ डीएम।
Good morning हो गई. Let's figure out what we are going to be wearing. डेली सबसे बड़ा मसला यही होता है, आज क्या पहने. कुछ ना कुछ तो निकल आएगा. Let's iron the clothes, get ready and leave. Late breakfast with Mr. Zishan. उनको भी मैं ज़बरदस्ती नई नई चीज़ें ट्राई करा रहा हूँ. Smoothie and the Odi dog, and he is having the Faita omelette. तो पहुंच गया हूँ मैं BNU SVAD degree show. They are basically having a thesis display over here. मैं साथ में अपने शहरी को भी उठा के ले आया हूँ. आगे हम लोग देखते हैं कि जी there's textile, there's visual communication, visual arts, interdisciplinary expanded design and arts. ये इतने बड़े बड़े इन्होंने नाम रखे हुए हैं, but I have heard that some of them are showcasing some really good stuff, so let's go check it out. First piece that we are going to be seeing is that of this young lady who has made this absolutely amazing art piece where she is trying to depict generational trauma being passed down generations due to an event which had occurred, which she witnessed as a child, where her papa was brutally murdered by the servants in the house.
These pleats represents buried history, suppressed emotions, and this wall represents the blood clot.
I worked on fear and solace. My mom has thalassophobia, the fear of deep sea, so she never allowed me or any of my siblings go near to water since the beginning. But when I was growing up, I realized that ये उनका भी fear है, but for me, it's a very comfort place. I have learned swimming. I love going to the beach.
This is a very interesting piece as well, transitioning from the dream state to the real life. Khwaja Ayan Ilahi, the journey within. Nice. Let's go. Let's go see the other exhibitions and the other work that has been put up by the kids. This is one of those exhibitions where the visual artist has tried to talk about a particular subject which is deemed to be taboo. Periods, menstrual cycles. These things cannot be deemed to be taboo because they are what give life. We need to get out of our little holes that we have dug ourselves into and have these conversations. This one literally hit hard. Tum napak ho. No, you're not. It is a part of life. It is part of the circle of life, and you can't just demean a natural process and the normal way of life. Ms. Jannatullah, the visual artist, making a little space where she tried to recreate all those memories which she has from her childhood of her grandmother. From the chutiyas to the tasbees to a place where the nano used to point towards that the Malkul Maut is coming from. This is like an immersive piece. Nice work, Ms. Jannatullah. Got done with the textile, got done with the visual art, and now we are going to head out towards the fashion. Let's see what they have come up with fashion. We are at Zoya Khan's thesis project. Very interesting. She has not just done fashion. This young lady has gone in and bacteria grow kar rahi hai. Maybe be wary of this one. She might be growing something else in the lab as well and cooking some shit up. So Faryal Farouk's pieces, trying to replicate the fluid nature of plants. This young lady loves money plants, so she incorporated that into her design elements. And this particular piece which you see, and the more of the translucent parts, those are leaves which have had their chlorophyll removed, meticulously spent like 25 days.
Yes, 25 days.
Yeah, so you think art and all this is easy. 25 दिन लगे सिर्फ रंग खत्म करने के लिए. So you can imagine how much work goes into all of this. Nabiha Arshad, the 4 stages of her life, the cute little floral dress during the childhood, then she has a little teenage years, the multi-layered current state, and then she says she's going to transcend into a celestial being with all gold and shimmering and shine, and before she just burns out like one of those stars, and then you turn into a black hole.
I guess.
Fariha Amjad from the Bachelor of Design in Textile, Fashion and Accessories. देखो इतनी सारी चीजें ये कर रहा है. I loved her story. She has tried to depict a forbidden love between a succubus and an angel.
But she is the main character.
Yeah, always. Female empowerment pro max. So Sameen Amir, the lady behind Sharmeen.exe, as in Sharmeen Executed, a 3D model created where this influencer exists. This is like 3D modeling se unhone pura influencer create kiya hai. She's doing actual influencer work, but she doesn't exist. It's like a local version of an influencer, the online influencers and the artificial ones which have been created. Farak ye hai ki this is 3D, this is not AI. And this young lady did the entire work. सारा मेहनत का काम इन्होंने किया हुआ है. ये आज सिर्फ कोई 10 रोल मंगवाए मैंने और शेजी ने. सामने आ जा, बैठ जा इधर ही. ज़्यादा नहीं, हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ 10 रोल खाएंगे. 2 बंदे 10 रोल, देखते हैं जीतता कौन है. मुझे लग रहा है मैं 6-8 तो खा ही जाऊंगा. ये देखिए जी, व्हाट अ सेक्सी बॉय. ये जी सिंगल है आजकल गर्ल्स, एंड ही लाइक्स इट बिग, as you can see, not small. He likes it. He likes it big. Yeah. So, ladies, if you want this one, all he wants is to be wined and dined. He's a very nice guy. 26 waist. ये लक 28 कुड़ी दा, 47 वेट कुड़ी दा ना. ये जो है ना लक इन्हां दे 28 हैगा. वेट थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है पर आजकल 70 पे चल रहा है बॉय. पर इट इज़ ऑल लीन मसल लेडीज. सो या, ही इज़ अप फॉर सेल. इफ यू एनीबडी वांट्स टू परचेज दिस लिटिल क्रीचर, प्लीज ड्रॉप मी अ DM. Oh, I'm in room 205. 215. Whoa, room 215. Let's go. 215. Yeah, we're here. Let's. Oh, nice. Oh, hello there. Our luggage is here. Looks like a comfy bed. Everything has arrived. Best हो गया यार ये तो. I think it's about time that I crash. I actually kind of like the washroom here. I like this concept. The washroom is like right next door. You have like a window and everything. Oh, nice. चलिए रूम टूर देते हैं. ये जी केटल शटल and everything. लैपटॉप का बैग इधर रख दिया. सामान इत्थे आ गया है. बाकी सारी चीज़ें इधर बिखेरी पड़ी हैं. I have a working desk. I need to sit and do some work. कुछ edits निकालने हैं. Ironing stand मंगवा लिया. Sofa, bed, छोटू सा एक TV है हमारे पास. Not that I have enough time to sit and watch. But another good thing is the washroom is decent sized. पूरी amenities मौजूद हैं. And segregation की वजह से it helps because the washroom doesn't get all wet when you take a shower. I think I'll take a shower, a hot shower before I go to bed. Take care. See you on the other side. Good night. Today's fit check is all black. I think I can get used to black. Not one of my favorite colors, but it looks nice. So it looks nice. Let's go. So the breakfast was there, so might as well get desi Pakistani style omelette going. They have like a pancake station as well. We'll get some pancakes and waffles. Fruit jo hai albatta, I'm going to ask them if they have mangoes. I'm going to get that. This I will have with tea, but main courses ke andar, let's go in and check out what we can have. I'm feeling like desi halwa puri और आलू की तरकारी जो है ना और चने, ये मुझे ज़रा सीन ऑन लग रहा है। तो ख़वातीनो हज़रात, हम पहुँच चुके हैं हसन मियाँ के साथ। आज हम करेंगे पॉडकास्ट एंड ही इवन हैज़ सम लाइट सेटअप सो दैट आई कैन लुक प्रिटी फॉर अ चेंज। Maybe I should take my hat off and have the shiny tint show.
He always looks good, guys.
I need to maybe get a Tindu going. And this looks so cool. तो जी आज हम करेंगे पॉडकास्ट मिस्टर हसन के साथ। देखते हैं, पता नहीं क्या सवाल आ रहे हैं। आई हैव एब्सोल्युटली नो आइडिया। वाली सेट के साथ बस आ जाए घंटा निकाल के, मैं आ तो गया हूँ, वो पता नहीं कौन से सवाल पूछेगा, वो पता नहीं कितना सच बोलना पड़ेगा। आई थिंक फंस गए अब तो।
Stay tuned.
हमारा ये आज का पॉडकास्ट पूरा हुआ। अब उम्मीद है कि आप ये देखेंगे, आपको अच्छा लगेगा। मैंने कोशिश की गालियाँ ना दूँ, तहजीब के दायरे में रहा। करीब करीब था। सवाल ही ऐसे गंदे से पूछ रहा था, पर बात यह है कि इसने मुझे आम खिलाए ना, इसने मुझे आम खिला दिया, जिसकी वजह से मैं तहजीब के दायरे से क्रॉस करके सीमा को मैंने उसको पार नहीं किया। गालियाँ नहीं दी, लेकिन ओए कुछ कर लो, गो एंड वॉच द पॉडकास्ट, यू विल एंजॉय इट।
Thank you, Oliver.
होपफुली कुछ सीख ही लेंगे।
Inshallah.
आ गए हैं हम लोग द फ्रेड होटल, गोइंग अप फॉर डिनर टू द ऑब्जर्वेटरी मीटिंग। Azhar and Habia, let's go. Oh, this is the 4th floor place. Come back in. पता नहीं किसने जो है वो, तो यहाँ पे लोगों को ना नीचे भी जाना होता है ना, तो ऊपर वाला बटन दबाते थे। ओ भाई खुदा दा वास्ता इस्तेमाल करना सीख लो लिफ्ट। इफ यू वांट टू गो अप प्रेस द अप बटन, इफ यू वांट टू गो डाउन प्रेस द डाउन बटन। You don't press the up button if you're going to go down. And if you think you are smart enough to get the lift to come to you earlier, you're sadly mistaken, idiots. चलिए जी।
ये जी हम आए हैं डिनर के लिए with the lovely Ms. Hadia and useless Tareen. Mr. Azhar, किसी काम का नहीं है ये। यार छोड़ो यार। लेके उसकी बेगम मुझे आई है खाने पे। ये तो एक दोस्त है, नाम का है। ये देखो जी, इसका मूड हो रहा है ये करने के लिए। There you go. Fancy coffee. यार बड़ा कोई फैंसी स्मैंची स्टाइल बर्गर इन्होंने बनाया है। इट्स अ रिब विथ बोन। वाह वाह वाह। ये हड्डी बंदा किसी और को डाल दे और खुद जो है खा ले, बाकी गोशत। यार ये देखिए आज़र का ये बर्गर है, ये एक बाइट, वन बाइट स्लाइडर। और हम सबसे ज़्यादा जो है ये लेडिस खा रही हैं। ये देखें जी, हु सेज दैट द लेडिस डोंट लाइक ईटिंग। हमारे साथ ये लेडिस लव्स हर फूड एंड शी इज गोइंग टू एंजॉय हर फार्म चिकन। हम दोनों गोश्तखोर, पठान गोश्तखोर। और मैंने तो बोला था इंसान ले आए, वो दिया नहीं उन्होंने। गोश्त से गुजारा करना पड़ेगा। लेट्स ईट। तो खाना हमारा ख़त्म हुआ नहीं, तो केक हमारा पहुंच चुका। हैप्पी बर्थडे कर लें। This is actually one of their best desserts. So we are going to be having Azhar make new kind of content for us. Go to Liberty Market and ask ladies, what is your outfit cost?
So embarrassing. People would know you're my husband.
No, he has an identity beyond being your husband. as well. He's going to.
He's Mr. Hadia.
I'm gonna do it like a.
He's Mr. Hadia.
Yeah,
People know me.
Yeah, this lady
He's
has
my
taken
property.
feminism literally to the next level. This is like possessiveness, ultra pro max. Please, if you see Azhar and you're a lady, please don't approach him. You never know if Hadia is going to be coming running after you with a knife in her hand.